Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Airtable import from Google Sheets to CRM step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document containing the data you want to import. Ensure that your data is well organized and appropriately labeled. Select the entire range of data in your Google Sheet. Navigate to the menu and click on File. From the drop-down, choose Download. Select Microsoft Excel.xlsx from the available options. The file will now be downloaded to your computer. Open Airtable in your web browser. Log into your Airtable account if you have not already done so. Create a new base or open an existing base where you want to import your data. In the base, click on the Add a Table option. Select Import a Spreadsheet. Choose Excel from the import options. Locate the .xlsx file you downloaded from Google Sheets. Select the file and click Open. Airtable will process the file and display a preview of your data. Review the data in the preview to ensure everything appears correct. Adjust any field types if necessary to match your preferences. Once satisfied, click on Import to add the data to your Airtable base. Your data will now be imported and available for use in Airtable. You can start organizing and analyzing your information within your CRM now. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.